All right, Amazon finally decided to show up. I got the new release and got to put it all together. All the parts are here. This is the one I got. Get it together. It's for 1 7/8. So if you have a 1 7/8 piece, you got to make sure you have a 1 7/8 ball, and the coupler's 1 7/8. You just have to match it with what it is, like it says it right there, 1 7/8. So I'll try to set you up here, and we'll get putting this thing together. I don't know if that's going to be good, but we'll try it. This piece goes in first. Then you put the spring up underneath. And once the spring goes underneath, it's going to be that. And this piece goes underneath there. So it's going to be 1, 2. This goes underneath there. Then you add this spring underneath there. And then you put the nut on. So that's what I'm going to attempt to do. Well, let me move you down here. Maybe you can see it better. I feel like that's not as good. Bear with me. It's the best I can do here. Spring is same either way. Spring up in there, this up in there. I guess you gotta release this, makes that come down a little farther. Oh, you gotta get it over the, actually, I see what you gotta do. You gotta hook this up in there first. Then you gotta kinda put the spring in there. Get it where you need it, and you gotta drop this down in it. It's all gotta kind of go together in one shot here. And once that mess is all there, you gotta put this on there. Certainly be easier with 2 hands, I'll tell you that. Or with 3 hands, maybe. That is a lot of spring tension on the new one, let me tell you. Then you put the nut on there. Hopefully I'm not blocking you too much, but it is what it is. There we go. Now I just got to adjust it up and make it happen. So now I'll just crank that nut down a few turns, and I'm gonna put my hitch up in here, and then I'll snug it down. See if I can get it in a good position there. Again, the Curt one's a 19 millimeter. What I like to do is at least get it a thread or 2 past that nylock. It's usually always got that much. Then we'll get the hitch and we'll try it. 1 7/8 Curt hitch. Put it in there. Click it down. See, it's still got a lot of play. I don't like it having a ton of play, so what I'll do is see if I can adjust this while we're here. See, it's getting better. You want a little bit. You don't want a ton. try that. So there you go. And then obviously you flip that up and it'll release it. Thanks for watching.